Do you like a seasoning that you can use with most of your dishes? Coming up! Hello everyone and welcome to Papa's Corner. Manny Silva here, and in this channel I share with you all my passion of cooking tasty recipes. And today I'm gonna teach you how to make a seasoning that you can use with most of your dishes. This seasoning is very easy to prepare and you not have your hands smelling garlic and onion every time you start to cooking. Let's do it.
For our seasoning, we are going to use a blender or a food processor. We will use red onion, and white onion. Garlic. For the garlic, you don't need to worry about peeling it. When we cook it, melts away and most of the time disappear. In another video, I peeled all the garlic, but this is a different recipe. For this one, you really don't need to worry about the garlic peeling. Also, you use 10 bay leaves. If you want, you can put more or less. This is all up to your preference. And then add a teaspoon of salt. This is just to help conserve our season, not to taste. Add 200 ml of vegetable oil. My preference is sunflower or grapeseed oil. I do not recommend olive oil for this recipe. This seasoning, after prepared, you don't need to use straight away. You can keep it in the fridge for about 2 months. At the end of this video, I will tell you a tip on how to keep your wonderful seasoning fresh for longer. Stay tuned. After being blended for 2 minutes, our seasoning becomes not too paste consistency. If you want it pastier, you can blend longer, or if you want less with larger pieces, blend it for less. As you can see, it yields a lot, which is wonderful, and as I said, this can be kept for up to 2 months after being prepared. To keep it longer, put a very thin layer of oil over the top. This will help the oxygen not to penetrate into our season, and it will stay fresh, kept in the fridge for up to 6 months without opening it.
Thank you very much for watching our video. Leave your comments and suggestions for us. It's very important that we can grow our channel. Don't forget, every time you use your seasoning, put a little bit of oil on top. This helps to keep your seasoning for longer. And in the comment sections, if you like anything that you see on internet in Spanish or Portuguese, I'll be pleased to help you and make the recipe for you. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye bye.